Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to remove fuse from cigarette lighter or 12 volts front socket on Peugeot 308. So don't forget to subscribe our tutorial. This is a USB car charger, and let's try if the cigarette light is working but the red LED is not on. First you have to know that the fuse box on Peugeot 308 is located on the left side of the steering wheel behind the plastic cover. We have to remove the plastic cover using a flat blade screwdriver. So rotate the screwdriver blade in vertical position and then take the cover out. Remove it from the clips. There it is. There is the lock, where you have to use the flat blade screwdriver to rotate it. And then there's some clips. So this is the fuse box or the fuse panel, where you have to replace the fuse. But first make sure to replace it with the same color and the same ampere fuse. The fuse for the cigarette lighter is F9, on F9 position, and you can use this red fuse puller for replacing the fuse. It's more easier to remove the fuse with this tool. So replace the fuse from the F9 position with the new one. So that's it. Use another one with 30 ampere, and it has to be green. A small fuse. That is a small fuse. Okay, we'll replace it with the new one. Place it back and you can pull it with your finger. Then place the fuse puller back on the cover, and then place the cover back on the dash. Use the flat blade screwdriver to lock that cover back. Rotate it in the horizontal position to lock it. Then check if the cigarette lighter or the 12 volts front socket is working. So we will insert the USB car charger, and now you can see the red LED. It's on. And that's it. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.